I'm back on her channel. We live. J.cat. Hey guys, MakeupSy here and welcome back to my channel. And hey, to those who are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, you guys already know how I get started by priming the eyelids. And I am using Proconceal, and I believe this is in the shade Chestnut. And I am taking this e.l.f. brush and basically creating a soft base and for this natural look. And honestly, I do 2 layers of that Proconceal because I really want this to be super soft. And whenever you're doing a no eyeshadow look, you want to make sure that that concealer is on there nice and smooth. So I'm setting that concealer using the this is the Crayon case. This is the CONTOURisition palette, and I am taking that second shade, that kind of like brownish shade, and basically setting her eyelids. And you guys, you know, I just had to add in this like mini eyebrow tutorial. And for those who haven't watched my last eyebrow tutorial on my clients, she was the model for that. So what a coincidence. And I'm just basically filling them in and shaping them. I already did the bottom, so I'm basically filling them in with these 2 brown liner pencils. This is an eyebrow pencil right here, and the chunky one was a eyebrow pencil. I mean, lip liner. So again, I'm taking that same e.l.f. fluffy brush and blending it out. I don't like using concealers that are way too light. You know how most people, they use concealers that are way too light for people. No, I just wanted to blend perfectly. So onto the lashes. These were her own lashes, not her own lash line, but you know, she brought her own lashes, and they were actually really pretty. So, and they actually came on very easily. So right now I am priming her face using Milani. This is a face primer. She has oily to dry skin, so combination skin, and this is the perfect perfect primer for her skin. So moving on to foundation, I'm using Black Radiance in the shade Brownie, and I am blending that out using a flat foundation brush. And whenever I use a light foundation that's like, you know, light coverage, I like to use a flat brush because it gives you more of a full coverage look. So just keep that in mind. And right now I'm basically concealing her face using Proconceal in the shade Toffee and Chestnut. Chestnut was just a little bit too close to her skin tone, and Toffee was just a little bit too light. So mixing those 2 together gave me the perfect balance when blending out. So right now I am setting her face using J.cat Pro Luxe powder in the shade Porcelain. You guys know this is like one of my fave setting powders. So yeah, and I'm about to get ready and contour her face. Well, I am contouring her face using the CONTOURisition palette, using the shade Bricky. And then I'm using and then I'm using the other Crayon case palette, and I'm taking that dark shade right there, you guys can see it, and contouring even deeper into her, you know, her cheekbones, because they are snatched, as you guys can see. And then using that same powder to cut those cheeks. Look at that. I am just getting really precise with these lines, honey. Cutting these cheeks. So blending out that I'm dusting away that powder using it's kind of like a brownish bronzy shade out of that palette that is the matte book palette back the Crayon case. So I spray the face, and then you guys know I take the bottom of my beauty blender to press in that spray, just ensuring that we locked in, honey. So she gonna be looking flawless on site. Okay.
Because glistening in the camera, you know, they give it a whole different look. That's what I did. Look, you want smoke? Because I can't give you some more. Come on.
And she is popping, honey. Yes, girl. Yes, for this ponytail. And you already know sis did the ponytail. I'm gonna put her information down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. As always, please feel free to subscribe before you guys leave. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Hope to see you guys on the next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye.